Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple, very simple animation text like this. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition and I'll make it full HD and frame rate 60, 10 seconds for duration, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid and I'll call it Fractal noise. Then OK. Go to Fix and Presets and type Fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. OK. Now I'll go to contrast and I'll change it to 300. OK. And make sure that you are on the first frame here. Keyframe on brightness and increase it like this. Go 5 seconds forward. OK. And decrease it like this. And see. Okay. Okay, now I can add effect, color and curves, RGB, this point like this, and also this point like this. Okay. Now I'll pre-compose this layer and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition, and it's okay. Yeah. Now I'll add new solid and make sure the color is white. Okay. And linear. Now I'll go to effects and presets and type linear web. Go to first frame, keyframe 5 seconds forward and increase it. Yeah. And go here to see, go to feather and increase it 800 like this. Okay. Now I'll pre-compose it also. And I'll go to fractal noise, effects and presets, and I'll type time displacement. Double click or drag and drop. Okay. Yeah, in this one. Now I'll go to time displacement layer and change it to linear web. Okay. And I'll change max displacement time to -3. Off. Okay. Go to linear web and set normal to overlay. Okay. Yeah. And see. Okay, now we were ready to add our text. I'll add graphic for you and I'll pre-compose both of these layers. Okay. I'll press S to increase it and I want to put anchor point into the middle, so I'll go to anchor point and control double click and see. Okay. And I'll go to align to put it in the middle. Then I increase it like this. Okay. Now I'll go to pre-compose here and go to none and change it to Luma matte and see. This is our animation. I think it's very, very simple. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.